that have been rocking with your girl. You already know how I feel about you. Love you down. Alright, you guys. Back on the train like I never lived. Okay? Going to New York again. I'm so excited. Tacos, okay? Tacos. So, I'll see y'all in a few. Alright, y'all. So, I just made sure that the three, I have 3 people that's on right now. They're set for breakfast, and then 2 of them, they wanted their bed down there in the room together. Husband and wife, they wanted their bed down, so I just made their bed. I forgot to mention, y'all, my boss, the big boss, will be in my sleepers, my sleeper car this ride, so that's gonna be fun. So I'll keep y'all updated on how that goes. I'm not nervous because I do a really good job. I'm really good at what I do, so I'm not nervous. So we'll see how it goes. Hey y'all, so I'm currently eating lunch. I'm having a chicken Caesar salad with popped out for vinaigrette, raspberry vinaigrette. Cheers. So y'all, I told y'all the big boss is on was on the train, and he was like, I need to get your autograph. And I was like, for what? He was like, don't you do social media, right? I said, stay off of social media. Thank you. Alright y'all, so I'm dressed. I have on this thrifted top. It's actually Forever 21 with these workout bottoms from Ross. My accessories, I haven't been really wearing accessories like that. I just only been wearing earrings, so definitely wanted to throw on some chains. I wish I had some rings too, because it's been a while since I've worn some rings, but it's cool. Got on these cute little earrings that I got from TJ Maxx. Waiting for my header set, and then I'm just putting on some flats for my shoes, and this is the look. Time to go get, y'all guess where I'm going. I want y'all to guess where I'm going in the comment section. Where am I going? Or at least what am I going to go get? What food item am I going to go get? Put it in the comment section right now. All right, y'all, I'm starving, so it is time to go. My stomach is barking. I use my shoe to stop it for the door. Hi. Good. I'm not gonna hold y'all. It's raining. It's drizzling right now. It's like it's about to pour down. I'm gonna have to reconsider and make my way back. So let me just go to the corner store and get something. I'm so sad, though. Oh, it's raining. Okay. All right, y'all. So I'm in the rain. I'm about to go. I just left Temu. I'm about to go to the bodega to get a sub for later tonight, and then I'm gonna book it to the hotel because I just can't wait. The rain is crazy. So let's go. They don't be seasoning the meat like how. Yeah, season that meat, baby. Season the meat. But I want, yeah, ketchup, mayo, onions. I want onions, but I don't want them cooked. Yeah. Yeah, it says on. Don't be shy with the seasoning. Oh, what's this? How are you? Hi. Oh, wow. Wine hour. Is it 4 o'clock? Oh, you just setting up? Yeah. I like a red and I love sweet.
This is perfect for you there.
Yeah. I'm good. I got rained on, but I'm good.
You're here now.
Are you always out here around this time, 4 to 5? I need to come downstairs more often. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Okay, I'm gonna tell y'all once I get upstairs because I got rain on. Okay. I immediately had to turn the AC off. I can't believe I left it on. I'm so disappointed in myself. It's cold. I got rained on. We got some snacks because I knew that, well, I checked the weather and it's going to be raining all night. So I wanted to try the Utes Utz salt and vinegar. I got a ginger ale. Oh my God, it's so cold, y'all. I'm about to snuggle up in the bed. Hold on, let me just put this. Oh, y'all would never guess what I just did. Jesus. Smelling like wine. Oh, goodness. Okay. I got caught in the rain, so I stopped to the bodega to get stuff. Y'all saw the chips, y'all saw the drink. I also got this. I never heard of this before. It's sour power straws, but it's cotton candy. Have you guys seen this before? Never seen that before. And of course we got us a chopped cheese, seeing if it goes well this time. I'm trying, you guys. I'm trying. I told him don't be shy with the seasoning because last time I didn't go to that one. I went to another one. They were so shy with the seasoning and it wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. You guys, I'm not gonna hold you. I am about to get naked and dive in this bed. I'll call y'all back later. Bye. Hey y'all. About to indulge in this chopped cheese. I'm really trying to like chopped cheese, y'all. I'm really trying to like it. I just haven't found a chopped cheese that I like yet. So I'm trying different bodegas. Let's see if this bodega got it right. It's not bad, but it's not good. I don't know. All right. I'm gonna try these soggy looking chips. This is my first time. Let's see. All right, y'all. Off to finally go get them tacos. Let's go. Y'all, I could cry right now. Walking back to the hotel, had my guac in my hand. My guac falls. I'm looking at it, about to pick it up. A guy comes running. He's running. Drops down, pick it up, throw it at my coworker. It falls on the floor because he's not going to catch that. I wouldn't even catch it. It's guac in a container that can bust open. That's exactly what it did. My guac bust open. So I threw the chips in the garbage too. That was $5.94. And then on top of that, the sub that I didn't like, everything that I had from that corner store was disgusting. That was $17 and something. Somebody need to give me that back. I don't know who to talk to, because I ain't got no man. Who can I call so they can give me $17 and $5 back? Do the math. Hey, y'all. Boom, 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 boom. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. So it's the next day. Your girl is up and ready to go to the crew base to finish out the second half of my trip. Okay, I am going to end the vlog here, and that's only because when I get home, we have a list of things that we have to do, and I just don't want this video to be too long, and I can do a second video with all the things that we're going to be doing this weekend. So I hope you guys enjoyed our time here in New York. It was brief, it was raining, but nevertheless, we had a good time, okay? So I will talk to you guys on the next video. Peace. Oh, also, you guys, I am going to do a question and answer video about being a train attendant. You guys have been asking me sidebar questions about being a train attendant, what that looks like. So all of the questions that you guys have, put it on this video. Put it on this video. Put it on this video so that I can do a question and answer video for you guys, answering all of your questions, okay? Again, if you have any questions about being a train attendant, a OBS attendant, onboard service attendant for the train for Amtrak, definitely ask the questions down below and I will answer them when I do the sit down video. Okay? Okay. I'll call y'all back later. Bye.